3D printed concrete houses are revolutionizing the construction industry by using large-scale 3D printers to build homes layer by layer with a special concrete mix. This technology enables rapid construction, often completing structures in days, and offers significant cost savings by reducing labor and material waste. The precision of 3D printing allows for intricate and customizable designs, making housing more affordable and accessible, especially in low-income and disaster-affected areas. Companies like Icon, Apis COR, and SQ4D are leading the way, showcasing the potential for sustainable, energy-efficient, and innovative architectural solutions. Despite challenges with regulatory adaptation and material formulation, 3D printed homes are set to transform the future of housing.